friends, this is Vicki with Grandma Vicki Crafts, and today I'm back in the kitchen, and with me is my grandson Riker.
Hi.
This is Christmas Eve day, and we are going to make eggnog waffles for our lunch. So Riker has all the ingredients here. In this measuring cup we have got
2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder.
A teaspoon of baking soda, and that's all going in there. Okay. Then in this little bowl, he's got 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of cinnamon,
a quarter teaspoon nutmeg, a quarter teaspoon of salt.
And there we have that. So in our bowl here, we have got 2 eggs separated. And he has gone ahead and he has mixed the egg whites. So now he's going to add, okay, so now we're back. We figured it out. We have now got 2 cups of eggnog that Riker will pour carefully into this bowl. And we're going to, along with that, put in the egg yolks. There. And, and our butter that we have added a teaspoon of vanilla to. And he's going to whisk that all together with the little whisker. And once he's got that done, we're going to carry on and fold in the dry ingredients. Now, okay, so we have added the wet into the dry, and we've mixed this all together. So now Riker is going to add the egg whites into this. And we're going to stir that up. And then once you can stir that up, honey. And then once our waffle iron is hot and ready to go, we will make our eggnog waffles. And we will show you the results as they turn out. So here we are, back with our finished product. And don't they look good? These are eggnog waffles. And what a perfect day. And we still have some Aunt Jemima syrup to go with those. So if you like this video,
don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and always remember to be kind. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye now.